In this lesson, I'm going to show you the best websites for free high-quality resources. This includes icons, normal images, and PNG images. Everything is free for commercial and personal use, so you don't need to worry about copyright. The first one is the Canva stock marketplace. I know that I've already shown you this, but they've actually got some nice free photos too. But in order to see the free ones, you need to go on that little tab here, click on it, and go to free. All the photos you will see now are totally free to use. The thing you get here is convenience, because the Canva marketplace is already built into Canva, so you don't need to download them from an external website and then upload them to Canva. Alright, let's now go on to my favorite, Unsplash. I absolutely love this website because they've got so many professionally shot photos on here. I always use this website for my business and personal projects, and I actually prefer Unsplash over paid alternatives like Adobe Stock. This is really a fantastic resource for everyone. Let's now hop on to another popular website, and that is Pixabay. Now they cover a broad selection of topics, but the general image quality is a little bit lower. So it's definitely worth a look if you're searching for a really specific image. Next on my list is burst.shopify.com and stocksnap.io. These two websites are great for high quality everyday photos. You will find a few interesting photos in here too, so I highly recommend that you check them out. freephotos.cc is my go-to website when I need photos from food. You will find great shots from different dishes here. So if you are searching for any food-related images, you will definitely find something here. Let me now show you my favorite website for royalty-free PNG images. They're really hard to find because most of them are for personal use only, but I just recently discovered snipstock.com. Here you can find a bunch of professionally cut out images. This is a great resource for every designer in general, but it's especially useful for every Canva user, because you can just download the PNG image from the website, then upload it to Canva and instantly use it there. It's very important to note though that there are also some copyright protected images on here. Just to give you a quick example, if we're searching for Iron Man, you obviously can't use it for your commercial project because it's the intellectual property of Marvel. But if you're just searching for a normal cat photo, you're totally fine. Just know that there are also some characters from movies and so on here, so be careful about that. My favorite website for high quality icons is flaticon.com. They've got millions of free icons to download, but there's something special, and that is that you can change the icon's color right on their website. That is super convenient, and all you need to do for that is create a free account. You will literally find good icons for every use case on here. For example, I get my icons for business cards and resumes from here. Alright guys, that concludes my list. I really hope that I could save you a bunch of annoying research time. I've been using those websites for multiple years, and they've been the only ones who have proven to be good.